So the next tag is heading tag. I type buy Samsung J7. Okay, I'm going to open, say this specific organic search result. Here, this is a heading tag. Okay, a page will have H1 to H6. This is H1 tag. So there will be more heading tag. Okay, like H2, H3, H4. It need not be H1 to H6. Sometimes people may use even style tag. Okay, so make sure you have your keyword covered in your heading tag. Also, in your title and meta description, you should need to cover your keyword. Keyword is nothing but in a page, if you talk about a specific product or service, that's called keyword. Okay, so make sure your keyword is covered in title, meta description, heading, and other tags like breadcrumbs and image tag. So let's take a look at heading tag. I'm going to open this, view page source, Control F, H1. Can you see this? This is the tag. Can you see this? H1 tag, title, Samsung J7, whatever. So make sure your H1 tag or style tag has your keyword. Okay. Let's see if this page has H2 tag. Yes, it does have. And H3 tag. Okay. If possible, cover your keyword in any of the other heading tags too. The next one is breadcrumbs. Can you see this? This is called a breadcrumb. So you have traveled from home to mobile tablets and then to mobile phones, and then currently you are looking at this Samsung J7. Okay, so this is called a breadcrumb. To achieve this, okay, you should ask your web developer to maintain proper folder structure. Okay, do not mix up your folders. For example, can you see this? Under mobiles and tablets, you have mobile phones, and you have Samsung under mobile phones. And there will be a tablet folder under which they will have tablet related folders. So don't have home under which you have all your mobile and tablets folders. Okay. Similarly, you create multiple categories and have your respective folders pasted there. So maintain your folder structure so that you can have better breadcrumbs here, and you can even have your keyword listed here. Okay, and also you will be able to have a better URL structure, and you will have your keywords displayed there. Okay, so create a better folder structure. Next, image tag. If you open this page source, your image tag will be img tag. Okay, all image tag will have one more attribute called alt. Okay, image tag is nothing but you have multiple images in this page, right? So for these images, you have image tag and also alt attribute for this specific image tag. What you have to do, you have to mention what this image is about. You have to mention what this image is about. This helps in your organic ranking. And also there are chances that this image may be displayed in your Google image search results. Where is it? Google image search results. So make sure you provide alt text for your images. Let's see if this person has mentioned any alt text. Can you see this? For the specific image, it has alt text, Samsung J7. So make sure you have your product keyword, service keyword mentioned in this alt text. Okay. So make sure you have title, meta description, and you have your product specific and service specific, whatever it may be, keywords mentioned. And also make sure you have heading tags, h1 or style tags, your keyword is there. And breadcrumbs, you need to have proper folder structure so that you can have breadcrumbs. And also your URL will have keywords. And your image tag, make sure to provide alt text. So let's take a review of this. So title tag, make sure you have only, I would say, 65 to 70 characters in your title tag. Okay, why? Because if you exceed your title tag by more than 65 to 70 characters, in your search results it will be displayed as dot dot dot. Okay, that doesn't look good, right? So make sure it should be 65 to 70 characters. So this is your title tag. And meta description, make sure it is 155 to 160 characters. Again, it's the same case, otherwise it will be displayed as like this. Okay, so make sure you have a complete sentence in your title and description. So we have h1 to h6 tags, and make sure you have alt tag here. Okay, and make sure you have breadcrumbs and keywords present in it. So that's all about on-page optimization.